I don't know what we're gonna try to. We're gonna pin him down here or something. Holy shit! Whoa, 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 buddy. We don't need none of that.
I'm scared. I can't.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him right where I want him. Oh, jeez, no, I don't.
Hey, you got him.
You broke my stick.
You want to get another stick?
Yeah, can you get another stick?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, dude, them claws, man.
Don't even try to. I'll just get a bigger, better stick. Hold on. Before he gets more pissed. Wait, did you get him?
I got him. I got him. Shit! I had it. I had it. I had it. I need to get both feet on the jaw, but.
He's chewing.
Oh shit, the trap's open, but the jaws ain't coming undone. There he goes. There he goes. He's free. He's ready to go. That's a free bobcat right there. Come on, buddy. You're free now, man. I don't want to mess with you. But he's just chilling. Let him regain himself. We'll leave him go. Do his thing. I don't want to mess with that guy, dude. He is not one happy cat, that's for sure. Go on, you're free. I don't. Run the other way. Jeez, don't be doing that stuff, mister. Jesus. Here he. Oh man, I think he wants some of this. I think he wants some. He went under the car like I knew he was gonna. Son of a bitch. Aaron, fire this thing up and he's underneath it.
Where's he at?
Underneath it. Pull out. Start it. Go on. All right, now back up. Don't turn your wheels, just back up.
What?
Just back up. Don't. There he goes. He's gone. There he goes. That's a free bobcat. Oh, he's doing fine.